Hey y'all. I tried to record the first time. I'm like, I ain't trying to eat while I'm recording. So I wanted to come to y'all to give y'all an update. That was really good. Hubby made me breakfast and it was tasty. I want to give y'all an update. Please stop coming for me. Don't come for me. Don't come for you, girl, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. If I want to wear a hat in 80-degree weather, I can. If I want to wear a scarf in 80-degree weather, I can. It's like, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Y'all been coming for me. Talking about my hats and stuff. Do y'all realize I'm by Canada? Do y'all realize I'm by Canada? Not only am I by Canada, but we just now start seeing warm weather this week. Like the week before last, it was snowing. Okay? The week before last, it was snowing. Last week, it was still cold. Like, you still had to have a hat and maybe a nice little coat. The week before last, it was snowing. So, yeah, y'all, don't come for your girl. Ain't nothing wrong up here. I'm all with it. It's just that's the kind of weather we've been getting. So, anywho, just giving y'all updates. We will see some videos with some scarves and hats because your girl has a lot of videos that are kind of like behind. Oh, excuse me, that are behind. And so I want to share those still, but I'm not going crazy. It's just footage that's behind. A lot of times, a lot of the footage is behind, guys. Unless it's like live, usually it didn't happen right away unless it's something like a quick video that I'm just loading up really fast. I'm sorry, I had a piece of something in my nail. So yeah. Oh, do y'all see my nails? They're growing. Well, they always grow. I just cut them. So I said, you know what? I'm not going to do square. I'm going to do round. My hubby likes the round. And I know that when we went to Hollywood, I did my nails. Y'all know I do my own nails. These are not fake. It's not like they're long or anything, but they grow really fast. And I'm always cutting them off because I'm always working around the house. So I said round might be stronger. It seems like when I got them round, they don't break as much. And this color is, it's a Revlon. Color Stay. Yeah. Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy. And it's called Checkmate. That's what I got on my nails. And, I don't even have a clear coat on the top, which I need to go get me some more from, Sally's. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys that the winter in my videos might be a little behind because we just now getting out of the cold weather. Not only that, I have a lot of videos that I haven't shared with you guys yet, so you might see some videos that still have my hats and scarves on. If you haven't gone over and subscribed to the CPR Vibe, go check that out. That's my other channel. That's the channel where we get down to the nitty gritty. I'm going to be your sister, your auntie, your mama, your whatever you need me to be, but I'm going to be real. If you don't like being real, don't go. If you don't like realness, don't go check that channel out. I'm being honest with you. If you want to be fake and live in a facade and live in this dream world and not be real with life in order for you to achieve things and your goals that you need to in your life and live a better life, don't even go check it out. I'm letting you know that right now. Because I ain't sugarcoating a dang on thing over there. Not for you or nobody else. And since I love you, we shouldn't be sugarcoating. Because too much sugar leaves cavities. And cavities lead to destruction. And we don't want to go there. It can go deeper, okay? So we ain't sugarcoating nothing over there. We ain't no sweets over there. If you want some bitterness and you want your eyes and your lips and stuff to be twisted up, then go check me out. Because ain't nothing sweet over there. So, that channel is going to be all about life. Being real with yourself, being serious about changing things in your life. That's what that's all about. I am currently getting ready to do another Queen's Mingle. You already know that they requested a monthly one. So we're going to see how this works. This will be number 2 that I have here. And we will see how this works. It will be a little bit different. I won't be cooking everything. We know that. And I do have a cleaning video. I don't know when I'm gonna post it, of me cleaning up after the aftermath of the Queen's Mingle. So I do have that. I'm gonna share that with you guys. I want to get my mind and body jump started to get back into the healthy mode of eating and stuff like that. I'm not saying it can't be done, but it is hard. It's hard, especially because I love to cook and I love to eat. So every time I had to get my mind right, I need to jumpstart. Are you like that? I need something to motivate me to keep going. Like whether it be a jumpstart in weight loss or jumpstart something. Usually the weight loss is what it is. So I need some form of jumpstart because I've been wanting to do it, and it just seems like I've just been all over the place because I'm living life and not really focused on it. Thank God I don't have any ailments or nothing like that to say, oh, you have to. But I don't want to get any. I don't want to get any as well. So I'm going to share with you guys what I'm going to be doing along with a friend of mine, and what journey we're going to take to jumpstart that, to get our, our health and everything in order to start this new lifestyle of implementing less harmful things like the red meats and the porks and the stuff that we really shouldn't have in our diet. So I'm excited about that. So I will be sharing that with you guys as well. Yeah, I know I got this channel, I got the CPR Vibe, and I have RIZZY'S World, which is my baby's channel. She hit 100 subscribers. If you guys did go subscribe, thank you so much. You don't know how much that means to her. She literally was looking at that number, and it's been a while. And for me to tell her that she hit 100 was like, she was so elated. And I thank you guys so much for supporting her channel. Yeah, like I said, I'm trying to run this channel, that channel, and also help my other daughter with her channel. So it's a lot, plus work and do mentoring, life coaching, and all that stuff that I'm doing. And I'm trying to get some things situated here for me to do more bigger events. And, with different states, things are different. And like I told y'all, once I focused on the house, I was going to get more back into what I need to do, my purpose, and all that good stuff. And so I'm definitely looking into doing more bigger events with men and women. I don't know if I told you guys about did I tell you guys? Yeah, I told you guys about the meeting when I met the guy who did my hair or whatever. If you don't know what I'm talking about my hair, do y'all know what happened with my hair? Y'all know what's going on with my hair? Do y'all know? If y'all do, leave the comment below. Let me know, because then I know who's watching, who's paying attention. But anyways, I'm going to share that too. Even though I did show it somewhere, I'm going to share that, that whole little day and episode or whatever. But I just want to come in and let you guys know I am behind. And sometimes if a video is more convenient for me to make, like if somebody requested something and I know I'm getting ready to make that thing or do that and I can record it, I will. So you may have requested more than one thing and I may do the second thing before the first thing or something like that. It's kind of hard. There's only one me, guys, but I'm gonna get it out there. And if you remind me, sometimes you do got to remind me, because I have a lot going on in this brain. So if you see something like that, it's just because it was probably more convenient for me to make that video first and then do the other one when, time permits or whatever. So just wanted to stop in and say, I love you guys. I thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I thank you guys so much for the comments. I thank you guys so much just for the love that you show my channel. I really appreciate it. And I have a lot to come. And like I told you, I was waiting for this weather. I can't do no DIYs. I can't spray paint, do any of that. And it's cold. I'm going to be doing a lot of outside work to my house, because now that it's getting warm, I can paint and do different things, yard work, fix up my front of my house, and put my new solar lights in, because y'all know I switched up my solar lights for the brighter ones. I still don't know how good they're going to be. I was told by somebody that they're not as bright when they put them up or something like that, but I ain't gonna take them back, so I'm probably still gonna use them anyways. And those solar lights that I showed y'all the review on, that I put over my garage, on the side of my garage, in the front of my house, those big solar lights over the door, so when we walk up, we got something to light the area when we put our keys in the door and stuff like that. I don't know why my nose is itching. Those things are still doing amazing, like amazing. And I noticed that in the summer, like when it get warmer, the light will come on faster before you approach it. than it does in the winter. And I think it's because, you know, the sunlight is not really shining as much in the winter, so they're not as strong and active. So yeah, I noticed that last night. But yeah, just wanted to come and chat with you guys and just fill you in on what's going on. Queen's Mingle Saturday. Like I said, they want it every month, so we're gonna see how this is going to go. That's gonna be Saturday, which is this week, because I'm gonna be loading this as soon as I'm done. Yeah, and what else? Housewarming June 30th. I had my P.O. box got all messed up. I had to I'm gonna have to get another P.O. box. I don't know what happened. But some people had said they sent me something, but it was I don't know. I end up having to change it, and I gotta get a whole new P.O. box. I'm thinking about going to a whole new place, one closer that I know I can get to easily. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it, or I might just stay there. But you guys will definitely know if you guys want to send any goodies or send anything to me, letters, cards, all that good stuff. And y'all already know, y'all can always email me at the CPR Vibe or CPR for the body at gmail at any time. And if you have emailed me, I did respond back. So that's that. And what else? It was something else I was gonna say to you guys. This is just like an update video. I forgot. It was something else I wanted to tell you guys. So we did the P.O. box. We talked about that. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, so doing yard work and all that stuff. So y'all, remember the gazebo that I had put up last summer? Yeah, it got ripped. I don't know how we're gonna fix that or how that's gonna work out. But yeah, my husband didn't take it down in the right amount of time, and the snow fell faster than we thought, and the heavy weight from the snow kind of messed up the gazebo. I'm wondering if I can hot glue it or something. If you guys have one or seen one or know about how to repair it. And he said it's around the seam. It like ripped at the seam, so I may have to hand stitch it. I don't know. We shall see. I might hand stitch it and then like hot glue in the crevices so no water can get through. I don't know. Just trying to figure it out. I just don't want the hot glue to burn the fabric. I don't know, it may not. But anywho, I'm rambling. If so, just let me know if you know anything about a repair or something, or a way I can fix that. But yeah, just want to give you guys an update. This video is 12 minutes already. My nose is itching so bad. I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. I am about to try to watch this movie on Netflix, but then I'm going to try to take a nap too, because I got to go to work at 12 o'clock, and it's like 9 something, so we'll see how that works. All right, I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And make sure you share this channel, and make sure you go subscribe to the channels below. Later, Gators.